Hello students, hope you all are good and doing well at your home. Myself Diksha Rai, this is your subject teacher of General Knowledge from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, now in your previous video I have already explained you that how can you do the chapter number 7, that is nourishing foods. What is the name of this chapter? That is nourishing food. So do you know that what is nourishing food? We need food to live. Food has necessary elements that give us energy and help us grow. I am going to again explain you that what is nourishing food. We need to live we need food to live. Food has necessary elements that give us energy and help grow. So my dear students, as you know that on your page number 12, so before doing the unit second worldwide world tour, I am going to explain you chapter number 2, that is nourishing food. So on your page number 12, as you can see, look at the pictures of the food items given below. Write their names in the correct column to show the group they belong to. So my dear students, as you can see on your page number 12, picture number first is that in the first line, almond, second wheat, third rice, fourth banana, and next cheese. Next kidney beans, eggs, brinjal, apple, potato, milk, curd, peanut, watermelon, and carrot. So my dear student, there are given a 5 type of category. First number is that fruits, vegetable, third dairy, 4 grains, fifth proteins. So as you can see on your page number 12, there are given a lot of food items which is related fruits, vegetables, dairy, grains and proteins. So first what will you do? First we will choose the item of fruits. Like as you can see in the line first line, the first fruit name is that banana. Do you know that what is the spelling of banana? The spelling of banana is that B-A-N-A. And second fruit name is that, which you can mention here on the column of fruits, that is apple. A-P-P-L-E. And now next, the third fruit name is that watermelon. What is the spelling of watermelon? That is W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Now we are going to do the category number 2, that is related with vegetables. First vegetable name is that which is available on your page number 12, that is that brinjal. The spelling of brinjal is that B-R-I-N-A-J-L. And second, potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. And last is that carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T. And now we are going to fill category number 3, which is related from dairy. Number first is that milk. What is it? That is milk, M-I-L-K. And number second is that curd, C-U-R-D. And last, cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E. And now we are going to do category number 4, which is related from grains. And as you can see on your page number 12, there are a lot of items which is related from grains. Like wheat. What is the spelling of wheat? The spelling of wheat is that W-H-E-A-T. And next, kidney beans. As you can say, rajma, K-I-D-N-E-Y-B-E-A-N-S. And next is that carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T. Next item which is related from grains is that rice, RICE. And now we are going to do category number 5 which is related from proteins. Number first is that eggs, EGGS, eggs. And number second is that almond, ALMOND. And last number is that peanut, PEANUT. So my dear student, from this topic, as you know, your chapter number 2 has completed. Now we are going to do unit 2 worldwide, which is related from world tour. So my dear students, as you can see, our world has so many beautiful monuments, buildings, towers, places, etc. Tell the names of the following. Our world has so many beautiful monuments, buildings, towers, places, etc. Tell the names of the following. So my dear students, on your page as you can see, that is Eiffel Tower. That is Eiffel Tower. And what is the spelling of Eiffel Tower? The spelling of Eiffel Tower is that EIFFELTOWER. And now on your page, picture number 2. What is the name of this picture? That is Statue of Liberty. That is Statue of Liberty. And the spelling of the Statue of Liberty is that STATUEOFLIBERTY. Statue of Liberty. And now, as you can see, picture number 3. What is the name of this building? That is Qutub Minar. What is that? That is Qutub Minar. And the spelling of Qutub Minar is that QUTUBMINAR. And now we are going to fill the name of picture number 4 is that Taj Mahal. What is that? That is Taj Mahal. And the spelling of the Taj Mahal is that TAJMAHAL. What is the spelling of Taj Mahal? Is that the spelling of Taj Mahal is that TAJMAHAL. And now we are going to fill the name of picture number 5 is what is the name of this picture? The name of this picture is that Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. So the spelling of Great Wall of China is that GREATWALL wall OF of CHINA. Now I am going to fill the name of picture number 6 is that Pyramid of Egypt. What is that? That is Pyramid of Egypt. And the spelling of is that PYRAMID. And the spelling of is that Pyramid of Egypt is that PYRAMIDOFEGYPT. Pyramid of Egypt. So my dear students, now we are going to fill the name of picture number 7. Do you know that what is the name of this statue? That is Christoph Redeemer. That is Christoph Redeemer. And the spelling of is that CHRIST, the THE, Redeemer, REDEEMER. And now I am going to fill the name of picture number 8. That is Sphinx. That is Sphinx. And the spelling of is that SPHINX. Now we are going to fill the name of picture number 9. Do you know that what is the name of this picture? That is Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the spelling of is that Leaning, Leaning, and Tower, Tower, and Pisa. So my dear students, from this topic your unit 2nd has complete, and in your next video we will start the chapter which is related from unit 2nd. So my dear students, in your homework you will write the page number 13 unit 2nd in your homework copy, and in your assignment draw a picture of national flag of India and color it.